Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to learn how to round three-digit numbers to the nearest 10. So let's start. Before we start, let's review the place values in a three-digit number. So here is a number 328. Let's write the place values for each digit. Ones, tens, and hundreds. So this means that there are 3 hundreds, 2 tens, and 8 ones in 328. Let's move on. What is meant by rounding off a number? Well, rounding a number means to convert the number to the closest place value. To convert a number to its closest place value. Rounding a number means to find the closest multiple of 10, 100, 1,000, and more. So today we'll focus on rounding to the nearest 10. For rounding, we have some rules. First rule says that if the ones digit is 5, if the ones digit is 5 or more than 5, if it is 5 or more than 5, we will round up. We will round up and we will add 1 to the tens digit. So the first rule says that if the ones digit is 5 or more than 5, means 6, 7, 8, or 9, we will round up and we will add 1 to the tens digit. And what is the second rule? Second rule says that if the ones digit is less than 5 means 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, we will round down. We will round down by keeping the tens digit the same. So let's solve an example. Okay, so here is a number 256. Let's round this number to the nearest 10. First step is to write the places, ones, tens, and hundreds. How many ones are there? Identify the tens and ones digit. How many ones are there? 6. And what about tens? 5. So there are 6 ones and there are 5 tens. Look at the ones digit. Is it more than 5? Yes. This means that we will round up because the rule says that if the ones digit is 5 or more than 5, means 6, 7, 8, 9, we will round up and we will add 1 to the tens digit. So it is more than 5, it is 6. So we will round up and we will add 1 to the tens digit. So let's round the number. For rounding a number, we use a symbol. This symbol is like this. And we use a special symbol to show that the number has been rounded. This symbol means approximately equal to. Approximately equal to. It tells us that the number is not exact, but close to the rounded value. So whenever you will round a number, you have to show this symbol. And what is meant by this symbol? It means that this value is approximately equal to. So let's round the number. It is 260. Why not 66 and why not 6 and 1s? Because whenever we round, whether we round up or we round down, we will change the ones digit to 0. Ones digit will become 0. So this means that 256 rounded to the nearest 10 is 260. So let's solve another example. Okay, we have to round this number to the nearest 10. First, we will write the places, ones, tens, and hundreds. How many ones are there? 3. And tens? 4. So, look at the ones digit. Is it more than 5? No. Is it less than 5? Yes. This means that we will round down. Why? Because if the ones digit is less than 5, we will round down and there will be no change in tens digit. There will be no change in tens digit. Tens digit will remain the same. So let's round this number. It will be 140. Why 40? I told you before. Whenever we round up or round down, we will change the ones digit to 0. So 143 when rounded to the nearest 10 is 140. So let's solve another example. Okay, round to the nearest 10. First, let's write the places, ones, tens, and hundreds. How many ones are there? 1 and tens, 9. So look at the ones digit. Is it more than 5? No. Less than 5? Yes. So this means that we will round down. And will there be any change in tens? No. There will be no change in tens digit. So let's round this number. Don't forget to show the symbol. So after rounding 991 to the nearest tens, we have 990. As per rule, we will change the ones digit to 0. So let's solve another example. Okay, how will we solve this example? First, we will write the places, ones, tens, and hundreds. How many ones are there? 3. And what about tens? 2. So we have 2 tens and 3 ones. Look at the ones digit. Is it more than 5? No. Is it less than 5? Yes. So this means that we again have to round down. Again have to round down. Because if the ones digit is less than 5, we will round down and there will be no change in tens digit. While ones digit will become 0. So let's round this number. After rounding this number, we will have 120. So this means that 123 when rounded to the nearest 10 is 120. So let's solve another example. Okay. Let's write the places. Ones, tens, and hundreds. So how many ones are there? 9. And what about tens? 9. Look at the ones digit. Is it 5? No. Is it more than 5? Yes. So this means that we will round up and we will add 1 in tens place. Okay, so let's round up. It will, when 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. So here we will have 0. And when 1 will be carried over here. 1 will be carried over here. So this will become 900. Why 1 will be carried over here? Let's look again. Let's write the places, ones, tens, and hundreds. So we have 9 over here, and in tens we are also having 9. And the rule is that we have to add 1. So add 1. So what will we have? 9 plus 1 is 10. So we will have 0 over here and 1 will be carried over here. And we will have 900. So this means that 899 when rounded to the nearest 10 is 900. So let's solve another example. Let's write the places first, ones, tens, and hundreds. How many ones are there? 4. And what about 7? And what about tens? 7. So look at the ones digit. Is it more than 5? No. Is it less than 5? Yes. So this means that we will round down. So let's round down. It will be 170. There will be no change in tens digit. And ones digit will be changed into 0. So that was all for today. Jazakallah khair. I hope you understand this video.